Hey everybody. So I just want to start trying to make audio videos or some sort of audio to go along when I send like a lengthier email update or a post or something like that. So you can choose to read it, you can choose to hear it, or you can choose to read it and hear it. So I'm reading the email that I'm sending out today on Friday, April 3rd. A special note, starting today when I send or post updates, I'm going to try and have an audio version as well. Look below the email message / for attachments for the audio version. Hello, hey you all. This might be a little wordy, I apologize. I wanted to give you some updates. 1. Keep taking care of yourself. Drink water, move your body, get fresh air, be well. 2. Monday, April 13th, 4-3-20 is still our shift to new learning / distance learning. That is 2 Mondays from now. Communication will, for now, still look the same. 4. I just wanted to let you know that I'm going to be adding videos to the topic General Resources in Google Classroom. The videos will cover stuff like how to reply to an email, how to use different online sources, and things like that. More specific videos I make and share, I'll add to more specific topics in Google Classroom. I'll let you know specifics later next week or Monday 4-13. Miss W.